Welcome to my vlog. So today we start with the nail salon. As you can see, I didn't do my nail for a while. So we're going to this store and the nails technician start by cleaning my nails to make it a better shape. And also with a lot of social event coming up in winter, I feels like I need to do my nails because when you do the nails you can wear less accessory and it's also save time. So now she start putting nail extension on me and I just need to dry it out. And we just finished the process of having nail extension attached on our nails. And now the nail technician will start by painting our nails with color according to the style that I give her. So it's been 1 hour and a half and this is my face. So usually nails extension like this takes 3 hours to finish, but this time the nails technician only took me around 2 hours and a half. So it's kind of fast, especially if you can see the result. And this is the result of my nails. I'm very satisfied with this store, and because it's also cheap, so the price cost me around 100 to 200 RMB. So this time I need to refill my lashes extension at the same store because it's already fell out. And these are the results. As you can see, it's more fully. Normally it costs around 100 to 250. Moving on to gym and workout. So normally I work out every month, but it depends on how often, and I'm trying to keep it up with my schedule and keeping track on my workout. So normally it costs me around 200 RMB. So next we're going to do spa and massage and sometime onsen. So I do this once or twice a month. Today we're going to a spa after a long event in 1 week. So we need to relax. So in this month I already did a hair spa once. So now I'm doing a body massage with some heating machine, and this will take around 1 hour. Sometimes it take 1 hour and a half, it depends. So I do love to try out a new spa or massage shop or any onsen. And now we finish with our session. So usually it costs around 100 to 400 per month. Lastly, laser hair removal. So normally I do laser on 2 spots, the VIO and the armpit. And this is the place. Now I come here for a second time because I bought a course here. And here's some complimentary drink and some snack. After that, the technician brought me into a room. This is the view of the room, and then we get ready, we change our clothes and get ready for the session. So after the session we need to take a rest for 20 minutes, and normally laser session costs me around 200 to 400 RMB. And these are the equipment and machine that they do laser, and these are the preparation that technician brought for me to change back, and now we're going home. See you next time.